Hello and good morning. Hi, people. So, good morning. I am from a shift clearly, and I'm trying to look for the sun, and I'm not getting it. I am from a shift this morning. So, welcome to today's vlog. We are going out to celebrate my birthday. So, yeah, this morning I am from a shift. I'm going home. I'm not even like sleeping. I'm just going to park and go. But did I say welcome? Welcome. My name is Shiro Mukono. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe. Thank you. I wanted to throw in a rant, by the way. I wanted to throw in a rant today, this fine morning. Guys, nobody told me how hard it is to like shop for yourself. Please forgive how I look, man. I'm from a night shift. Yeah. Nobody told us how hard it is to shop for yourself, because what is this? This month I've struggled. Oh my god, I hope the rest of the month I don't struggle as much. Because tell me why. Yeah, this is better. Tell me why I've missed like if you've been following my vlogs, I've missed like a therapy session, and it's not like an intentional miss. It's just like I am so overwhelmed with things that it literally escaped my mind. I've missed several of my karate classes. I do go to karate classes, by the way, just in case you don't think you haven't watched my videos. I do karate classes. I've missed several of my karate classes, and it's just that I'm overwhelmed with things. What is the other thing? I've also imagine the whole of this month. This is 16th, almost like the third week of the month. I've done only 2 sessions of yoga. Those ones I just do it online by myself. But 2 sessions, I wanted to do 2 sessions per week. What do you mean in 3 weeks I've just done 2 sessions? So like, guys, let me tell you, showing up for yourself is not as glamorous as it looks. It's so tiring, it's so draining. And sometimes you literally have to force yourself to do things, because 11 minutes, the next bus is in 11 minutes. Let me look for this sun again. Because like even like my Monday class, when I went to karate, I literally had to force myself to not to get out of the bed, because I was from a shift. I was from like a double shift, because I did night shift and then woke up and then did a half day up to 3 p.m. and then my karate session is in 5. So when I just got home, I just felt like the bed is calling my name. Literally, it was calling my 3 names. Hey, and I was just like, I'm tired, guys. I'm tired. Release me. Anyway, at least I showed up. At least that counts as the several classes. I think I've gone only for 2 classes this month. And guys, I'm paying for these classes. It's so painful. It's painful. Anyway, end of my rant. But if anybody told you, or if the internet told you that showing up for yourself is all glamorous, is all easy, nah. Genuinely, I don't even think I can do those 75 hard. Hey, leave me alone. Imagine even my book, by the way. I am still in February book, and we're in March. We are mid-March. I've not finished my February book. Reading, that is. I do read. I can't. But anyway, I hope I'll catch up with life. I feel like this month has been also overwhelming, because it is my birthday month, and I have been having a lot going on, like planning for this staycation, planning for photo shoots. Probably I'll show you some slides here. And yeah, it has been just a lot, because every time I'm off, I'm doing something, and also doing my nails. But I've been consistent with my nails this month, and yeah, I do my own nails because life ya majuu mwenye aliwadanganya guy. What do you mean nalipa nini? Nalipa nails over 5,000. Hey, jokes. Anyway, yeah, so this is a hella very long introduction, considering I'm going and park with you. This will be such a long vlog, and also it will be numerous. Nakwambia this month mtachoka na mimi kwa sababu ni vlog za birthday yangu. Mnani celebrate by force. Do you hear me? Do you hear me? In fact, why are you breathing and it's my birthday month? Stop breathing. Anyway, so yeah, let's go home, pack and then head out, because I want to do makeup, but I'm not sure, to be honest. I'm not sure because I really need to get there in time, considering I have to shower, pack and do makeup. It's a lot. But we shall see. So see you when I get home. I'm waiting for my bus. It is right now like 8 minutes away. Let's wait for that and then we go home, pack. By there I have a lot of anxiety. Anyway, guys, 5 minutes of talking. Hey, see you when I get home. That's the situation. I want to shoot a video and that suitcase must be exactly like that because I'm going to open it in public. I hope I'll show that video here. Shoes of the day, my clothes for the day. I'm carrying my gear today. I'm carrying my vlogging camera. Here it is, the DJI. Nimetoka kupiga pasi, just ironed my clothes, and that's the current situation. Earrings for the day, handbag for the day. Imagine I'm carrying a suitcase. It's serious because I'm going for 2 nights, 3 days. So yeah, let's go. Acha niende nikaoge. I am all clean. This is the before the makeup. So see you after the makeup. Yeah? Okay. The after. We have the after. We look like that. Yeah. So I don't know why. We need some warmth. I look so white. But anyway, let's go. I'm super late, so I need to go. Hi guys. So I'm headed out and we are recording definitely. Okay, let me zoom by the way. We're recording with my gimbal. Yeah, so yeah, and this is how I look. Please do not mind how the room is looking. We have a lot of things, and here's my bag, and that's my bag for work. My shoes are clean, just so you know, because I've just wear them. But yeah, so let's go. Hi! Oh my god, guys, I don't know whether I'll be able to vlog, guys. I feel like I'm overwhelmed with all these things. See, my bag is even falling out of my hand. Yeah, but we're outside finally. I had to change my suitcase because the other one is like it's broken, so I had to unpack and pack again. I just hope I didn't forget anything in that. You know, there's danger when you start swapping out your clothes or bags. When you start swapping bags, there's always danger. Anyways, we're outside. See, the thing I don't like about this gimbal is because about this camera, that is, I can't do this shit. You know, like I want my full body to be seen. Okay, let's remove this face whatever's. I can't. Nuna vile mtu anasikianga like unaenda like mnaenda midterm ama ni shule, nasikia like hey I'm going home, ndo mimi nasikia like kuambia bye. And then kesho kutwa nitakuwa tu hapa on this same journey. You guys remember Card Factory? But I don't even know whether I'll vlog na venye nilikuwa nimejichocha. Have Card Factory there. Yeah, ebu acheni nifike train station because I'm literally struggling. I have my bag and everything. Let's just reach the station. Ama nionyeshe tukipanda aka kanyamu. Let me show you this thing. This one. This one, cause sipandi stairs. This one. Ni kama nini? I wish naweza washo. Ndio hiyo, sinaona. Current situation, guys. I'm waiting for my bus. For my train. I'm waiting for my train. And this is how I look. Yay, yay, yay. Let me show you. Guys, imagine by the way nilikuwa nipotee, to be honest. Train inasema hapa ni Vauxhall. Na hapa mimi najua ni Waterloo. Niko like, guys, mimi hapa hivi na hapa jua mbona wanataka kunipoteza. So tunaenda nimetoka hiyo platform 1 huko. Oh my god. The fuck. I genuinely nimechoka juu sasa. Ebu ndio hiyo, nimetoka huko. God damn. Hii kitu by the way, mimi nitachukua simu niache kurecord na hii kitu. Nimetoka huko. Huko platform 1 to plus jatoka ile platform 25. So yeah, and I'm going underground. Sinaona. Nakwambia. Kwanza kuna timu yenye tulikuwa nayo. Hao watapotea. No, ninashangaa najiuliza. Kwani huku kwenye niko ni wapi? Kumbe hao wanapanga kunipoteza. Hii ni vibaya, guys. Naenda kupanda train ya chini. Now I bet you guys have seen that enough. So see when I get to Canary Wharf. Canary Wharf. We are at Canary Wharf. This is how the place is looking like. I've gotten out from, what the fuck? Nini. I've gotten out from here. And yeah. This is this other side, and that is that. So I'm going to like take the elevator up and then see whether I can do an exciting video, just a reel for you guys. That is us. That is us. That is us. Oh my God. See the beauty. See the beauty. Oh my days. Okay, achani tap out. To be honest, guys, I'm struggling recording with this camera. Genuinely, I am seriously struggling. Mungu tu anisaidie because hizi settings anga diowe nini, it's a lot. So let's get there and then see. My God. No, yo. Oh my God, oh my Lord. So help me God. I'm so nervous because the video I want to do is kidogo daring. Yeah. Imagine I thought that I was recording. All this time I'm not recording. So we are at Canary Wharf. We are here. So this is how the place is looking like. You guys can see. This is beautiful. It's beautiful. So let me look for my culprit. Mwenye ananisaidia kufanya video. Guys, nimepanda hapa juu na panakaa hivi. Oh my God, somebody is smoking behind me. Nimetoka huko. Yeah, nimetoka huko. Nimeona culprit wangu kunisaidia. Au wenye wako na stand ndo na. You see those videos on TikTok that you see somebody with a suitcase and then they put it down and then they like change or something. I'm not changing entirely. And then they walk away. That's the kind of thing I want to do. But I'm alone, I don't know. So I was looking for someone who can help me. Do you guys think you can help me?
Yeah, sure. Yes, we can do that.
Should I wait for you guys to finish?
Yeah, just give us like 2 minutes.
Okay. Thank you. Guys, I know I look all different and glamorous and amazing and everything in between. Okay, God bless that lady. Let me see. Hi.
Hello.
Can I ask you a question?
Of course.
Is there a card factory around here?
Card factory?
Yeah.
There's no. I'm not sure if it's the name Card Factory, but there's one inside the shopping center. So as soon as
Where's
you
the shopping center?
just there, underneath the big screen. You take
Oh.
your second right. You see on your left hand side.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
No
and
problem,
is
madam.
Radisson Blue around here?
Sorry.
Radisson Blue.
Ooh, Radisson Blue.
It's far.
You walking?
No.
Huh?
Is there a bus?
Yes. Let me double check which bus.
I thought it was around here, like a walking distance. Guys, I'm headed like that, the way you're seeing. And I have heels, just so you may know. Yeah, so I'm looking for Card Factory. So if there is none here, I'm just going to go to the hotel first, because clearly I don't think this will be ideal, to be honest. Walking with heels in London, no, this is not ideal. Yeah, guys, let's go. I don't even know where I'm going, but let's go. Okay, I can see Starbucks. Oh my god, I don't even know what I am showing you guys. This is shopping center, by the way.
You look amazing.
Oh my god, thank you. Thank you. Guys, mmesikia nikiambiwa that I look amazing. Hebu tuingie huku tuone. I was looking for Card Factory, but I guess this will have to do for now. It's called, I don't know what it's called, but let's go. Guys, nimepanda basi, and let me just show you like where I am, how it looks like. Kesho nakuja huku kuzurura, kesho mchana. Yeah, so for now chini napigia ka time lapse. We have arrived. Here's our room tour. Guys, that is my bed for the next 2 nights, and then we have a TV. And then it has that Arctic. Is it called Arctic aesthetics? Get it? Get into it. And then those are my bags, definitely. And then the bathroom is very spacious, very demure. And that is definitely me. Screenshot. We have the sink situation, we have all this situation, and shower situation. So that is, and then we have this for putting my clothes, and that situation there. Sparkling water. So guys, and then there's me. Genuinely, one thing I'll complain is lighting, because what is this lighting? We need more light. What is this? Get into it. So guys, nikae hapa karibu na light na mwangaza. So nimefika. I have a bit of complaints. Number one, the space is, I feel like it's small, but it's workable. But lighting, guys, lighting Z, I die. EOZ haidai. Anyway, let's go outside and look for some few things and see whether we can take some few shots. Although now most of these shots will have to be silhouette because lighting. Let's go.